Union Home Minister Amit Shah has summoned Chief Minister Biren and his Council of Ministers to New Delhi to assess the present situation in Manipur and the best solution to the same. According to a source, Chief Minister Biren and his Council of Ministers will leave for Delhi via a special flight on today. The Union Home Minister reportedly had a telephonic conversations with Chief Minister Biren on Tuesday regarding the present situation in the state, during which the two talk about the present law and order situation and discuss what the central government could do to solve the violence. Following this, the Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers were told to come to Delhi. Meanwhile, another source conveyed that the Chief Minister and his ministerial colleague are preparing to go to Delhi on Thursday to meet the Union Home Minister and discuss the best course of actions to resolve the violence in Manipur ahead of the upcoming Assembly session on August 29th. However, it is not confirmed whether Cookie Minister Nemcha Kipgent and Letpao Haukib will attend the meeting with the Union Home Minister.